What is the process to renew an expired smart SIM card?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through the process of renewing an expired smart SIM card. We all know how crucial staying connected is these days, so let's get started.
Understanding the SIM card expiration.
First, it's important to understand that a smart SIM card usually expires if it's not reloaded or used within a certain period, typically 120 days from the last top-up. However, don't fret if your SIM card has expired. Here are the steps to get your connectivity back.
Confirming the expiry.
Before proceeding with renewal, ensure that your SIM card has truly expired. You can do this by attempting to make a call or send a text message. If these actions fail, it's a clear indication that your SIM card has expired. You may also get an automated message from Smart telling you that your SIM card has expired.
Contacting Smart Communications.
To renew your expired SIM card, you'll need to get in touch with Smart Communications. This is done through their customer service hotline or visiting a Smart store physically. Make sure you have your SIM card number on hand as they will ask for it for verification purposes.
Requesting SIM renewal.
When in contact with a customer service representative, explain your situation and request a SIM card renewal. They will guide you through the process and provide you with any additional instructions necessary. It may require you to provide certain personal details for security verification.
Wait for the renewal process.
After your request, you will need to wait for Smart Communications to process your SIM card renewal. This time may vary based on the service load and other factors. That's all there is to it. Now, you should be able to renew your expired smart SIM card with ease. Remember, the best way to avoid SIM card expiration is to regularly top up and use your smart SIM card. Stay connected, everyone, and see you in our next tutorial.